Okay, we're going to do a bit of unboxing. Only that I wasn't expecting to arrive till tomorrow. That I was expecting today, and I'll get to that in different parts, but for right now I'm going to unbox this, which is something I actually wanted for rather a long time. It's taken me a very long time to get round to it, and of course I'm ill prepared for this because someone has taped it up. I have lots and lots of knives, I don't know where they all are, so I'm going to use a razor blade. Which will be much quicker. Ooh, that's thin. I thought that was one I picked up, three. Now this is not the one I originally had on my list, but I can think of a use for this at a later date, so I might order another one, but it is going to be a few months' time when I'm doing other things. Now, I don't know if this is, I don't think it's a complete film, so it should just come undone. Oh no, it's at this bit here. Right, now I've done that, it might not seem like much of an item, but it can make a world of difference, especially if you're in a flat, or as I'm in a very small house. I have absolutely no idea how heavy this is, but I can tell you now, when I was handed the box by the driver, it completely confused me because it wasn't big enough. And it was very heavy, and there was nothing I'd ordered that was going to be in the big box that would be that heavy. This is, of course, some people would have worked out already. Oops, let me sit a bit closer, I'm stretching there and it's hurting my back. This is a desk clamp monitor arm, so that you can suspend your monitor mid-air and move it about. There's the attachment for the monitor. Now the funny thing is, most of the stuff has arrived today, so that's 7-8 items, but, and you won't know this till it's all arrived because it will all go on together. It's a Duronic arm. That clamp's actually meatier than I thought it was going to be, so that's nice. And obviously that goes on now like that, and you'll see I'll do another film when I fit this in, and that goes on there like that. That's actually good, that is, because then I can easily take it off and put it back on, and it's come with a long pole as well. That's actually better than I thought it was going to be. But there'll be another film done when the time comes, when the monitor's arrived and everything's in place. So that's the unboxing of the Duronic sort of manual there on how to do up screws, and some attachments. Caps for these, I think. Some Allen keys and some screws and a little clamp thing and some plastic adapters of some kind, of sleeves. That's that done. Let's put some of these away. I might need another one. So that is the Duronic, and I've ordered. This is obviously it's going to be a PC build, and I've ordered things. I've ordered an Corsair thermal paste, and as you can see there, I've actually already got some COOLERMASTER thermal paste that's been in my house for years and I forgot all about, and a fan, and a double fan, and yet another fan. These all look like 80. Oh, a Hyper, blimey, that's from my old, when I built the £3,500 SLI system. That's from that. So I had it was a Hyper PSU actually. Anyway, that's the unboxing to that.